In this video, let me simply show you how you can easily clear app storage on your phone without deleting any app, any file, any photo, but to be able to delete cache and unnecessary things that are piling up storage on your phone. Okay, so what I have to do is go to settings here, but before I show you the process, let me show you my system data. Okay, so I go to general here, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down until you see the iOS and the system data. You can see my system data is 7 gigabytes. I want to clear up the cache and other unnecessary stuff on my iPhone without deleting any of the apps or my photos or videos from this particular iPhone. Okay, so here now let's begin with the process. Okay, so you take note of the storage here, that's 7 gig here. I want to reduce it so that I will have more space on my phone. Okay, so here, this is my storage now here. So I go back to the first thing is I go to the settings again, then you first turn on the airplane mode. Okay, so you toggle it here. So once the airplane mode is turned on, you see it appearing here. Okay, then you scroll down to, you see general here, you go to general, then here this time around you go to date and time here. So date and time, you turn off the automatic time zone here, you turn it off, then you come and set date for it. Okay, so the date you set it to 1 year ahead. Okay, so this is May 2026, so you make it to May 2027. Okay, so you change it to May 2027. Okay, then so you see the date is set to 2027, that is 1 year ahead. Okay, then the next thing you have to do is that you go to the home here, the home tab here, and one key thing is that you don't have to open any app for 2 minutes. After setting the phone to airplane mode and also changing the dates to 1 year ahead, then you don't have to open any other app. You just have to put the phone down for at least 2 minutes. Okay, then after 2 minutes you see the magic. Okay, you see the time is 7:10. Okay, after 2 minutes, that is after 7:12, then let's see the magic by checking the system data. Okay, so after 2 minutes, that is now the time is 7:13. You go to settings again here, then you go to general here, you go to time and date. Okay, or date and time here, then you change the date back to today's date. Okay, so this one you only have to just select this one here, then you change the date to 2026, that is the current date. Okay, all right, then from there you tap on set automatically. Okay, then you change the date to automatic date. Okay, then after that you go back, then you turn off the airplane mode as well. Okay, then you go to the general again here, you go to iPhone storage here, then you see boom, then you scroll down, you see now my 7 gig here has now turned to 723 megabytes. This really works as simple as that. You can see at first my iPhone storage has used 111 gig, but now it is now 105 gig, as simple as that. Okay, and one important thing that you take note is that changing the time or date on your iOS poses a high risk of triggering iMessage retention policies, potential resulting in unintended deletion of iMessage conversation history. If you see this video to be interesting, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on so that anytime I drop new concerned content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends who has to benefit from this particular video.